Today's video is a beginner friendly makeup tutorial. This video is one of those videos you need to watch to the end so that you can know how to make up yourself this summer, especially if you are going for holidays or if you are going for a date. By the way, this is the face behind this YouTube channel, Mamus Ati. Let's get right in, guys. Welcome back, guys. In fact, it go dey nice make I just quickly confess. Abeg, most of the time if you see me for road na like this abi o, this na my real face. Abeg, as make I just do quick disclaimer, this one na be my real face. 85 to 90% of the time na like this my face be. Natural glowing skin, only moisturizer and my normal skin prep with my wetin dey call that thing again, sunscreen. Now they apply before they come out for house. So no be say you go see me for road now you go say for YouTube she fine, how come she no fine now? As make I just tell you first, my children school teachers dey understand now, because most times I wear makeup only during their open days at school or during their birthdays. So when I get into the class, I'm looking all glammed up, touch beautiful. They're like, are you Miss Ati? I say yes. You're looking all different. I say na so makeup they carry me, they go where I don't know. I say na so bio makeup sabi carry me to another level. Which brings me to this video of the day. Today's video is a beginner friendly makeup video. I'm done with the foundation. I go do another video showing the foundation process, because for here I been no say the thing not record when I take the blend the foundation, and I dey in a hurry on this day, but as make I just show now how to sharp do your makeup this period. Now lipstick now I put for there. I get one brown lipstick. I just put on for back of my palette, mixing palette, before I go put on for my face. So may not be like say you just fixing only contour dark foundation. They say you do contour. No, if you get lip stain, maybe say if you use as liner, wey not too dark, wey dey warm on your skin, if you use them as contour. Then this one now, of course, my personal concealer. If I not use the Kevyn Aucoin, I dey use LA Gear. I never be big gear past LA Gear. You see, LA Gear concealer still remain one of the very best concealer for me, and I go advise makeup beginner to buy LA Gear concealer. I don't know the English name for this thing. I only know say if I dey do my highlight, I must do so I go do my mouth like this. If I not do one like this, under that eye, now if you blend well. The concealer is good and is blendable. One secret to a flawless makeup is blending. She has no one speak English for this video. This thing what they do now, so now they call highlight. Sometimes if you never even get chance to do foundation, if you just do small contour, just do your highlight, just do your contour like this, calm, your face go dey all set and ready to come out. And this mirror what they use now, Beauty by Jones mirror. Then say now lipstick now put as blush by orange lipstick. As women, you know, so we get plenty lipstick now, and this now easy thing. So if you say must do your makeup purse, just put on, just use your beauty blender. How many things I don't count now? Normally every woman gets skin prep where they use if they come out for bathroom. Your moisturizer, your serum, anyone way good for your skin. No, you don't need to copy and paste the one I use. And if you want buy it, good for you, sha, because sometimes people go say dark skin people they enjoy because they need to spend money for skin. Who tell you this my skin they shop my money? Because most of the time now my natural face now you go see me with for road, so I need to feed the skin. Now what you feed the skin with, now the skin will give you. So try me not stingy with your skin prep, okay? And then I don't enter setting powder. For setting powder, all of us know say only one shade go good for you. Just think the shade you will use. For here I use the Sacha Buttercup because that one they enter for all dark skin people. See, if you be dark person and you not get Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I be say you need to recheck what it for your makeup purse again. Forget all this trend who they follow. You see this one Odogu. Nothing beats this Odogu. It remains the same. And you see, I put that for my entire face as my face powder. You know why? I get better oily skin. So to avoid excess oil as I wan comot on dis day, so I need to make sure say na setting powder na I take put for the entire face, and see say e still dey well. Once I say e go well, no be only face powder dem dey use for face o, dem dey fit dey use setting powder. Check internet. Setting powder dey do plenty work wey you no know. Sometimes I dey use setting powder as primer, especially for bride, because setting powder e dey absorb all the oil wey dey for your face. So just imagine say you finish your makeup now, you go just use setting powder as your powder. Don fine be that na. But by the way, do wetin work for you so that you no talk say na me talk o. But as I take tell you I go defend this thing wey I tell you so anywhere, anytime, any day. So I go do that thing wey they call reverse contour. You know say I thought say I no wan speak English for this video. I just hope say I go fit talk this pidgin English to the end. The temptation for this voice note no be here. So wetin I dey do now, I no know the pidgin English for the thing wey I dey do, but I know say that part of the eye uplifting. Wetin be uplifting for pidgin English? If you know, I put am for the comment section. E no bad if you teach me pidgin English. So that part now they uplift. I dey put that thing for the outer corner of my eyelid, so that my face no go dey downward. My face go dey properly structured. Next, I just dey use my mascara wand brush to dey brush my brows so that e go dey in place. Then I go use my eyeshadow primer. You see this this opening your mouth like this is inevitable when it comes to it's inevitable when you reach your personal makeup. If you know the pidgin English for inevitable, may you let me know for the comment section. I go just do my mouth like this so that I go fit blend my eyeshadow primer very well. So na so I dey blend, dey blend. For inside makeup, blending is key. Just the way you know say if you padlock something, you need key to take unlock wetin you padlock. Na so makeup be o. Makeup you go dey blend. Na blending na be the key to the padlock of makeup. So na so I just dey define my eye crease. I go carry reach where my nose dey for the beginning of my eyebrows. I go dey blend her like that. I'll first put her like I'll first place am. I'll go put am again. I'll go dey do and dey go buy the. So for beginner makeup, you no even need to dey buy plenty things. So this buy. Just jump her pass your powder. If you know the right shade of powder to buy, you just use it to the multitask. Then now I'll go enter eyeshadow, and because I don't really know what I want to do for this beginning of this makeup, I just do smoky eye, simple smoky eye. The smoky eye itself, I first put ash, I could put gray, I could put dark brown, I could put one will be like black but not be black. I don't know what I define, but I just know say I wanted to look. I just know say I won't look different. Not like I wanted to look different. I won't look different. I be the pidgin English. I won't look different. Yes. So I just still put the thing. I call the miss like the eyeshadow I use for here. I'm not sure someone go say and buy you. I miss Sam. I do missy.com. You know, I just put different color place. Do one. Call the blender. I call so okay. I like the way this color dey. Not too black, not charcoal, not too dark. In the way. Then because my eye na small eye now, I need to put attractive gold color for the tear dot. Tear dot na the beginning of this eye where we take dey cry. If you want cry now, where water take dey start to dey rush out of your eye, na they call tear dot. Now they put so that color they put for them will make my eyes look very attractive. My eye go look bold. See, and my small eye don't come out now, start to finish. You know, say in those days, if our mama want rub tiro, they'll put the tiro as in the eye pencil inside the eye. They'll call draw a pium. And what I just do for here, I just put my gel liner black. Put on for the brush. So you're not doing. I try to say my responsible man open my mouth. So I could just do like that. They do like that. See my eyes. My eye got fine, but I don't feel better as you. I get to still open my mouth on. If you know the English word of on, I better tell me for the comment section. Not bad if you teach me English. So now, so I see that in the process of still to darken the eyes, to make the eyes dark. You know, say if your eye black where you don't use tiro, if your tone like this, the eye they look sexy. To dark the eyes, now it don't reach time for the brows. For brows, I use this Mirac angle brush. This brush, now because of me, the producer more. See, eyebrow not be my friend at all. Eyebrow, I want to see what I know they like to do for makeup. It too they stress me. But since they produce this brush, now the shortcut to my eyebrow makeup because the thing just carry my eyebrow game go another part. As I dey put time dey go where I wan make dey this brush na two na I get, so I just buy one keep, say in case one lost I go use and replace the other one. But my dear, no one go lost in Jesus name, amen. So na so outline the under the bra, top of the bra, come dey fill the inside, I don corner. And then another thing wey I learn on my own wey come still change my makeup game na say I go just underline the eye first, then line top of the eye, make sure say I don get my arc before I come fill the inside. Do wetin work for you. Like I talk, eyebrow not be my friend, but wetin I go do na still get to still do am make it still dey well, because so that if you do your makeup, if na only eyebrow you fit do well, you fine. You know say na because of brows na dey make some people dey do microblading these days. So if you know say you dey fit dey do your brows well, then you no go need to do microblading, na so e just be. And then for top of my brows, I no dey put concealer and my powder I go just take clean am like that, plum, just clean am small gently so that I go dey well. Then I just dey put that same small powder for the brow bone so that my brow go pop. You see say the light for this particular video don dark on this day. The light just dey dark, dey bright, dey dark, dey bright. The phone, this iPhone just dey dark, dey bright. Me, I say I go post the video like that, I go edit am like that, because some kind times na so I don do work finish, I no go like the lightning of the video, I'll cut delete am. Na lie, you no go work like that. I don tell myself say this year anyhow wey the content be, na so I go carry am give una. Boy, the most important thing, I go use my voice to dey explain how it be. So no vex say this video wey dey watch, some bright, some dark. No vex, iPhone dey follow weather at times. Sometimes you go settle down really record video, but later when you dey edit, you go dey ask yourself, so na so the video call later be. Anyway, this video na about beginners makeup tutorial. I believe say everything you don watch for this video now, you fit do your makeup yourself. By the time you repeat watching this video over and over, you go find that say you go fit do your makeup yourself, because e no dey easy to dey pay makeup artist every time. I understand that fact. And sometimes you and oga wan comot, maybe for night you wan do dinner, or you wan follow oga go club, you go dey find makeup artist. E no too good like that now. So sometimes only you suppose to fit do your makeup. So I just dey apply concealer under my lower lash line, okay, and then I go come up for there. Trust me na. I don enter lip stains as I fine. By the way, I fix my lashes up camera, because if I make I fix the lashes show na how I take struggle to dey fix lashes, and I be say this video na 30 minutes the video go enter. But very soon I go show now. If you know say you wan learn how to dey fix your lashes yourself, you fit still let me know for the comment section. Write and put, then the next video when I wan do, I go just show you how to dey fix your eyelash yourself, because the way this country dey now, you need to dey learn plenty things. And some of the new things wey I don even learn personally now na how to dey make liquid soap, how to make zobo, how to make pancake. I don dey learn how to make small chops, because as you see me like this, almost every day I order this, I order that, count me out. This Nigeria economy dey show you how to know say you dey multi-talented, you go dey learn different things. Now so we have come to the end of today makeup. No be English be that. Remember to subscribe, and this beautiful hair and nails na my friend do am, Stephanie Beauty. Please check her out on Instagram. I will see you for my next video. Till then, stay blessed, be happy, dey smile. Problem not dey finish, just dey smile. God go make her finish in Jesus name. Bye guys, bye. Shop kiss. Mwah.